morning, this is Don DiBartolo, a senior broker with Daniels Trading. I'm coming to you from Chicago with your IMA Live interest rate snapshot for Thursday, November the 20th. The current market sentiment is a softer economic data and equity sell-off provided early bid. From the overnight session, the December 30-year bonds are up 23, the December 10-year notes are up 10.5, and the December 5-year notes are up 6.5. U.S. Treasury markets traded higher during the early morning hours, supported by softer PMI readings in China and Eurozone, as well as a sell-off in global equities. While December bonds and notes remain inside of their 3-week trading ranges, they have turned their sights towards the top of that range. The market saw a mixed reaction to the Fed's October meeting minutes yesterday that took more of a dovish stance than the post-meeting comments, especially with concern over a potential decline in inflation expectations. However, some portions of the Treasury trade viewed the minutes as an indication that the Fed is still on track to hike short-term interest rates in the third quarter of next year. Yesterday's Fed minutes turn attention to this morning's October CPI figures that are anticipated to show a downtick from the 0.1% month-over-month gain in September. Meanwhile, initial jobless claims are expected to pull back from the 290,000 reading seen last week. The next data window provides a preliminary look at November manufacturing PMI that is expected to show a modest uptick from the 55.9 print in October. The final U.S. data window is active, with figures on October existing home sales, leading indicators, and the November Philadelphia Fed's business outlook, all of which are expected fractionally lower than their prior readings. The U.S. Treasury conducts a $13 billion 10 tips auction, which could be of interest after recent break-even rates have fallen to multi-year lows. For today's trading session, the December bonds and notes are showing positive reversal action this morning and look poised for a challenge of their 3-week trading range highs, 142.09 and 127.5 respectively. The tone coming into the U.S. opening is supportive for the Treasury bills, with a sell-off in global equities and a number of disappointing economic readings. Near-term support for bonds come in at 141.10, 126.15 for the 10-year notes. For more futures market commentary, including detailed technicals and trade recommendations, visit www.danielstrading.com/IMA. This is Don DiBartolo reporting from Daniels Trading in Chicago. Happy trading.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Trading broker who provides research market commentary and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Trading, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielstrading.com. Daniels Trading is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Trading does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.